have to stop, and this gives us a gap or timing and spacing. They're coding over the solid white lines. In some states, it is against the law. Basically, they're blocking traffic. Cars can't go on the service drive. I can't move. If they waited to get up further, it would be a lot easier. So that's the problem that this driver's creating to my right. This is a crossover over the bridge. Didn't want to forget to mention that. And we have a stop sign here. So I have to stop for 3 seconds, which I did. Then I proceed. I have a gap. And you want to accelerate through the turn. I'm going to avoid this big puddle. Yep, that's hydroplaning. And you don't want to, yeah, that can make you lose control. Definitely. Got some warning signs. Guys, if this is valuable, subscribe to the channel. I do driving tutorials. Watch all of my content. I want to say thank you, and I hopefully want to see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.